Black Friday is one of the biggest shopping events of the year, offering incredible deals on a wide range of products. However, navigating the chaos and ensuring you get the best bargains can be challenging. Here are some tips and tricks to help you make the most of Black Friday and score big savings. 1. Start early with a list. Before the sales begin, create a list of items you genuinely need or have been eyeing. This will help you stay focused and avoid impulse purchases. Knowing what you're looking for in advance allows you to compare prices and make informed decisions. 2. Follow brands on social media. Many brands and retailers advertise their Black Friday deals on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and X. By following your favorite brands, you can stay updated on early access deals and exclusive discount codes. 3. Compare prices across retailers. Don't settle for the first deal you see. Use price comparison websites to check the prices of the items on your list across different retailers. This ensures you get the best possible price and avoid overpaying. Black Friday can be tempting with so many deals and discounts available. Setting a budget helps you manage your spending and ensures you don't overspend. Stick to your budget to avoid buyer's remorse. Consider using cashback credit cards for your purchases. These cards offer rewards and cashback on your spending, helping you save even more money. Just be sure to pay off the balance in full to avoid interest charges. Many retailers offer early access to deals and exclusive discounts to their newsletter subscribers. Sign up for newsletters from your favorite stores to get a head start on the best deals. Bookmark retail websites. Bookmark the websites of retailers known for offering great Black Friday deals. This way, you can quickly access them when the sales go live and take advantage of the best offers. Check for price match guarantees. Some retailers offer price match guarantees, meaning they will match the price of a competitor if you find a lower price elsewhere. Check the policies of the stores you plan to shop at to see if they offer this benefit. Be prepared for early deals. Many retailers start offering Black Friday deals before the official date. Keep an eye out for early bird specials and take advantage of them to get the best deals. Stay calm and patient. Black Friday can be overwhelming with crowds and limited stock. Stay calm, be patient, and remember that there are always other opportunities to find great deals throughout the holiday season. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more shopping tips and great deals.